Morning. Let's talk about dual function breakers, as a lot of you have questions of where these are supposed to go. A dual function takes your GFI right here, and it takes your arc fault, and it combines it into one breaker right here, okay? We have to look at the breaker. I don't know if it's too bright here, but if you look at it, all right, it says dual function, and it tells you all your information about what you're supposed to have. And if it's just arc fault, we'll tell you arc fault, okay? We need to have these in the locations where basically laundry room, dryer, washer, and then also the receptacle for your iron or the in-use outlet you have to have, okay? Basically, all the outlets in the kitchen need to be on arc fault. Dishwasher, disposal, microwave, those also have to be on arc fault GFI, so a dual function breaker needs to go there. When we're wiring into the panel for these type of breakers, for the dual function, you're going to label this with red and blue. And you're also going to dishwasher, label it, because we have to label the panel so the inspectors don't yell at us, okay? And then dining room needs to be in 12, okay? If you have hot plates or something in cooking out there for when you have people over or whatnot, they need to have a number 12 wire, but that needs to be an arc fault. And an arc fault we're gonna label with blue, okay? And then for your GFIs, we're gonna label in red. We're still going to label it because we have to get that panel labeled correctly. And we're gonna mark that in red so we know it goes onto the GFI breaker, okay? With that being said, label your stuff, mark your stuff so we know what's going on. We need to mark in our devices also. If we're not using the breaker, we're going to be using receptacles. We need to mark line and load. This is very important, line and load. You need to bring your feed where the line is, and that goes into your top one. And then you need to remove the sticker to be able to go into the bottom for your load that's going to feed out to the other locations, okay?